Hey, Tom.
Hey, Larry.
Those blasted raccoons are at it again.
What, the shingle?
It's a roof raccoon. Better grab your garden hose. I'll get the ladder. Get out of here, you little rascals! Yeah, beat it!
It's no use. They've already done the damage.
I'll tell you what I did. I called Property Revolution.
But what good will that do?
Well, for one, they'll fix that hole so the raccoons don't come back. Plus, they have a price match guarantee for quality replacements. You hear that? I'm calling Property Revolution. If you've got raccoons in your roof, call Property Revolution. We're not pest control, but we will fix your roof.
Now through December 1st, get $999 off a raccoon-free roof. Act now before the snow flies.
Hey, man, you still smell like raccoon.